Choosing a moisturizer during winters can be super tricky, especially if you don't know what your skin type is. So, is your skin dry or is your skin dehydrated? That is exactly what we are going to try and see in this video, and what are the best winter moisturizers for your particular skin type. Stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, whether it is a dry skin or dehydrated skin, both skin conditions or both skin types can feel dry, itchy, flaky, tight. All of these are common symptoms for both of these skin things. You have to understand, while dry skin is a skin type, dehydrated skin is just a skin condition and it can be treated. Dry skin is a genetic thing. Meaning what? Dry skin is going to be dry all over the body, meaning your hands, feet, toes, elbows, everything is going to be dry, and they're gonna feel dry throughout the year. Dehydrated skin, on the other hand, behaves pretty well during other months of the year. So that's your first cue to understand whether you have a dry skin or a dehydrated skin. The second thing that you can do is that you can try and scratch your skin on the body where you haven't moisturized it already. So whether it can be on your tummy, it can be on your arm, anywhere, and if you see that white flaky line, you certainly most have dry skin. Okay, so another difference that you want to observe with your skin is that a dehydrated skin is just something that's a parched skin. So it's going to feel oily and dry at the same time. Why is it going to feel oily? Because the skin just goes into overdrive and starts producing excess sebum so that it can combat the dryness that is there. Now, if you moisturize it well, it can be balanced out, and it's a condition that can be treated. A dry skin, however, it lacks in lipids and not in hydration. So it's just going to feel dry, and you want to make sure that you're using a moisturizer or a serum that is rich in lipids to infuse it with that extra added moisture that it needs. So drop in a comment in the comment section and let me know what skin type are you. Are you dry or are you dehydrated? And can you answer that question by this time in the video? So whatever your skin type, whether it be oily, combination, dry and sensitive, acne prone, here are my top recommendations for winter moisturizers that will suit all skin types. So before you rush out to buy a winter moisturizer for your skin, I hope you've understood the difference between a dry and a dehydrated skin, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to pick the perfect moisturizer for your skin type. Okay, while I will give you the brand names, I don't want to pick a particular product, because that particular brand might come with a different range of products. But here are my recommendations. If you have an acne and sensitive skin, you want to opt for brands like Neutrogena, Sebamed, Cetaphil, and CeraVe has been my all-time favorite. I do experience occasional breakouts and they just come and go, and I don't really have acne or even sensitive skin, but these are so gentle on your skin and they will definitely make sure that they combat the acne. Other things that you want to keep in mind while picking products for acne skin are key ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic, tea tree oils. So Body Shop makes some amazing products. Innisfree, Plume Cosmetics make some amazing oil balancing, acne clearing products. You want to check out these brands in terms of acne and oily skin. As far as dehydrated skin is concerned, the market is full of water-based moisturizers, and I'm absolutely loving them, simply because you know what, they form a beautiful base, and you can definitely top it off with a serum or add a few drops of any face oil for that extra infused lipid structure that your skin might need. So again, here are my top recommendations: the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost, the Pond's Light Gel. Pond's, the gel one, and the Super Light Moisturizer, both are amazing. I've used them and they are so good. The Clinique's Moisture Surge range. I think the number of times that I've endorsed this product on my channel, it's not even funny, but it is something that I have been using since my college days, and my skin has gone through so much over the period of years, and it still works really, really well. It is so light, it is so beautiful, it is fragrance free, it goes well with other moisturizers, other face oils. You can mix it with your foundation. All is good in that range. My other favorites are the Plume's Illumience, the Body Shop's Vitamin E range, and I think I'm forgetting. Oh yes, it's the L'Oreal's Hydra Fresh. L'Oreal's Hydra Fresh, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost, Pond's Light Gel, and even Clinique Moisture Surge for that matter, all are pretty much in the same, I'd put them in one section. They are of the same viscosity, the texture feels pretty much the same. It really depends on you then whether which smell you like, which color you like, and how pocket friendly it is for you. So these are my top recommendations of moisturizers. Now here's an additional tip. Okay, if you are someone who like I said, you want to make your moisturizer richer than what it is. Maybe it is a product that works for you all year long, then and you want to stick to that because you've observed that your skin behaves really well with that product, but you still want to enrich it. Then all you need to do is just put in some vitamin E oil in it or vitamin C oil in it, and any essential oil that your skin requires at that particular time. So like right now I am having a certain breakout, so I can put a little tea tree oil in my moisturizer and it works pretty well. So that's it from my end. Please do subscribe to the channel. This is me, Manjari, your lifestyler, and we've talked about winter moisturizers for every skin type. I hope this video helped you. Do let me know in the comments what you do to make sure that your skin is not dry or dehydrated. Stay safe and